Hi, wow, your cakes look amazing. Did you make all of these?
Hey, thanks. Yeah, I baked them all myself this morning, fresh from the oven.
Impressive. I have such a sweet tooth. Can I take a closer look?
Of course, we have chocolate fudge, red velvet cupcakes, lemon tarts, and my personal favorite, salted caramel brownies.
I love brownies. What's so special about your salted caramel ones?
Well, I use sea salt flakes and homemade caramel. It's rich, a little gooey in the center, and has just the right balance of sweet and salty.
You're making it really hard to choose. How much is one?
Just $2.50 each. But if you buy 3, you get 1 free.
I was only planning to get one, but now I'm thinking I need 4.
That's the effect good brownies have on people.
All right, I'll take 2 salted caramel brownies, 1 red velvet cupcake, and, lemon tart or a chocolate fudge?
Tough choice. If you want something a bit tangy and fresh, go with the lemon tart. If you're a chocoholic, then chocolate fudge.
I'll go with the lemon tart. Gotta balance all the sweetness.
Great choice. That'll be $7.50.
Here you go. Do you have change for 10?
Yup, here's $2.50 back. Do you want a paper bag or just a box?
A box would be nice, please. I'll probably eat one on the way home, though.
Honestly, that's the best time to eat them, still a little warm. Here you go. Hope you enjoy every bite.
I'm sure I will. Thanks so much. Do you come here every weekend?
Yep, every Saturday and Sunday, same spot. And I usually post new flavors on Instagram.
Cool. What's your handle?
@BenBakesGood. Give it a follow. I sometimes do giveaways too.
Nice. I'll check it out. See you next week, maybe?
Looking forward to it. Have a sweet day.
You too. Bye.
Sarah, I know, right? It's been, what, 3 months? You two glowing? Is that a new haircut?
Hey, Lena. It's been forever. You look amazing. Guilty. Just last weekend. I needed a change. So, how have you been?
Busy, but good. Freelance has its moments. Anyway, did you read about the AI robot that just passed the bar exam?
Wait, what? Seriously?
Yup. It's all over the news. Apparently it scored higher than most humans. Kind of scary and exciting at the same time.
That's insane. I mean, what does that even mean for us? Are lawyers going to be replaced?
Maybe not replaced, but definitely supported. Imagine never having to write long contracts from scratch again.
I wouldn't mind that in marketing. Have you seen how AI writes ads now?
Totally. I've even used it to draft Instagram captions for clients. It's a bit eerie how natural it sounds sometimes.
Yeah, but there's still something missing the human touch. Empathy, nuance, humor.
Exactly. It's like AI can write the words, but not the feeling.
Speaking of feelings, did you hear about that massive climate protest in Amsterdam?
I did. Tens of thousands, right?
Yep. And what's crazy is how organized it was. Peaceful, tons of students. Makes me think we should be doing more too.
Agreed. I've been trying to reduce my plastic use, but it's not easy.
Same. I carry a metal straw, but then forget to use it half the time.
Baby steps, right?
Right. Hey, should we order some coffee?
Let's do it. And maybe a slice of that chocolate cake I keep eyeing.
You read my mind.
You seem deep in thought, Ryan. Everything okay?
Yeah, just thinking about the future. You know, college, career, life. It's a bit overwhelming.
I get it. When I was your age, I used to sit under a tree like this and wonder the same thing. What's on your mind, specifically?
I guess I'm just scared of making the wrong choice. What if I choose the wrong major or the wrong path? I don't want to regret anything.
Let me tell you something. No path is a straight line. You'll twist, turn, fall, get back up. It's not about choosing the perfect route. It's about moving. Progress matters more than perfection.
But what if I fail?
You will fail at something. We all do. But failure doesn't define you. How you respond to it does. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. That's how you grow.
You make it sound easier than it feels.
Because I've lived through it. I've lost jobs, taken wrong turns, even started over at 40. But each time, I learn more about myself and what really matters.
So, how do I even start?
Start small, build habits, focus on showing up every day, learn new things, talk to people, ask questions. The world isn't looking for perfect people. It's looking for honest, curious, and resilient ones.
I guess I just want to do something meaningful, not just work for the sake of money.
That's a good goal, but don't wait for your one true purpose to fall into your lap. Meaning is something you create through effort, through kindness, through persistence.
I like that. Creating meaning, not just finding it.
Exactly. And don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Social media will trick you into thinking everyone has it figured out they don't.
Yeah, I needed that reminder.
One more thing. Give yourself grace. You're still young. You'll mess up. You'll change your mind. And that's okay.
Thanks, Mr. James. I really needed this talk. It actually made me feel lighter.
Anytime, son. Life's not a race. It's a journey. Just make sure you're walking with purpose, not panic.
Noted. Walking with purpose. I'll try that.
That's the spirit. Now, how about we grab some coffee? First step to figuring life out, stay caffeinated.
Deal. You know, Emma, back in the day, people believed the Earth was the center of the universe.
Wait, really? Like, everything revolved around us?
Yep, it was called the geocentric model. The idea was that the sun, moon, planets, even the stars all circled the Earth.
That's kind of wild. I mean, I get why they thought that. The Earth does feel like it's just still.
Exactly. Without modern telescopes or satellites, they just relied on what they could see. And from their point of view, the sun did seem to rise and set around them.
So, when did people finally realize the Earth wasn't the center?
That started to change around the 1500s. A guy named Copernicus came up with a crazy idea. What if the sun was actually at the center?
Mind blown.
I know, right? At first, people thought he was nuts. But later on, Galileo backed it up with telescopic evidence. He even got in trouble for it.
Trouble? Just for saying the Earth isn't the center?
Yep. The church didn't like it. It challenged everything they believed. He was put under house arrest for the rest of his life.
That's so unfair. But also kind of inspiring. Like, how far people have come just by questioning stuff.
Totally. That's why I love astronomy. It reminds me that truth doesn't always start popular, but it matters.
Well, thanks for the rooftop history lesson, Professor Liam. Now I'll never look at the night sky the same way again.
You're welcome. Next time, we'll talk black holes.
Deal. Just no math, please.
Can't promise that.